silent in the war is terrible, is devastating. It is good to speak up. It's moral to speak up and also to be quiet when there's peace. It's okay to be silent when there's peace, but it's good to fight for reasons when there are many problems against you. It's good to speak up when the fire is burning against you. And when the fire is burning, it's hard for me to follow the path or to follow the road. So when the fire is burning on the road where I'm going to or where I belong to, it is difficult for me to exist at my place or to follow the road that I'm going to. So in this case, I had to respond or have to react to the fire. I have to speak up to the fire or against the fire. And when the fire is quiet, I'm quiet. So when there's peace, I must agree with peace or I have to be quiet too. And that would balance out the life, the justice. But when there's injustice, I must, I have to respond to it through my reasons or my viewpoint at the place that I see the fire is burning or at the place where the fire is burning against me. And at that time, and why the fire is burning against me. It's burning me. So why? So when there's peace, you have to match with peace, with love. And when there's something against you, you have to react for the reasons that why they are against me, against you, or against them. So why they're opposing them? And world is big. And for you, for me to solve my problems or your problems, you have to speak up. I have to speak up for myself, for the people who have been isolated by the situation, who are being dehumanized by the other people. And I would say again, world is big. For me to change, I must do something. I have to speak up. I must stand up for those who needed the support, help. And you too, you have to speak up for the consequences that coming against you. And don't wait for people. You speak up for what you're seeing, for what are coming against you in this world. And I stop from here.